everybody, welcome back to Handmade with me, Karen. Today we're going to be making some really fun shaped cork boards. You can see the donut ones there behind me. They're so cute. I'm also going to show you how to make these really trendy leaves and also an initial, mine is K obviously. They're so cute, it's way easier than you think, so let's get into it. So for this project, you'll need cork squares, which you can get online. Mine are 3/16 of an inch thick. To make a donut cork board, grab a dinner plate and trace it onto the cork with a pencil. Then trace something smaller, like a candle, as the donut hole. Now, I'll be honest, I wasn't sure if it would be difficult to cut cork, but it turns out that with a sharp craft knife, it cuts so easily. I only had to go around once and then my shape just popped right out. So once you have the donut cut out, we're going to trace the entire thing onto a second piece of cork. But before cutting this out, freehand draw a squiggly line as the icing and cut that out as well. So next, we're going to do a base coat of white because that makes it easier for the colors that we're adding later to really pop. So once that's dry, paint the donut a tan color and paint the icing pink or any other color that you like. And you might have to do 2 coats to get a fully even coverage. Then to attach them, I'm using tacky glue, and I'm applying it with a paintbrush just because I didn't have a lot of glue left in the bottle. So press them together and again, let it dry completely. And we are done. You can make these in multiple colors and I think they are so cute. You can use thumbtacks to be the sprinkles, and having 2 layers of the corkboard gives your thumbtacks more cork to grab onto so they're not poking through the back. So I am obsessed with these, but I have 2 other versions to show you as well. So to make a leaf, you'll want to print out a leaf shape from the internet and trace and cut it out just like before. Then give it a base coat of white paint and a couple coats of green paint. Make these in a few different sizes, and then you have some super trendy cork boards that you have made entirely on your own and customized for your own space. And finally, I had to make a monogram. First, I printed and traced the letter onto cork, but then, to give it some dimension, I also included the inside of the shape in my pattern, and I traced that onto a second piece of cork. So after painting it white, I glued it together. And then I decided to paint it black, so actually painting it white first wasn't totally necessary. But once that was dry, I love a good polka dot, so that's the pattern I added, and once again, I think this turned out so trendy and so cute. You can make any letter or any shape that you can think of. This project is so easy to customize, and besides waiting for the glue and the paint to dry, it is so quick to make. Alright, so tell me in a comment right down below, which of the 3 shapes would you most want to make? Or what other custom shape can you think of to make? maybe a rainbow, maybe a cupcake, maybe a puzzle piece. There are so many possibilities. So don't forget to subscribe and like this video, and I'll see you all next time.